Today, we're taking a look at the FVKING E6 Ultra Electric Dirt Bike and answering the big question, is it actually worth your money? After checking the specs and real-world feedback, this thing definitely looks impressive on paper. You're getting a 3,000-watt motor, a 60-volt 30Ah battery, a claimed top speed of around 85 kilometers per hour, and up to 90 kilometers of range. That's serious performance for an electric dirt bike in this price range. What stood out to me most is the off-road setup. The hydraulic suspension, hydraulic brakes, and large 19-inch dirt tires suggest it's built for trails rather than casual commuting. That said, there are a few concerns. At around 50 to 55 kilograms, it's pretty heavy, and several riders point out that bikes in this category can feel more like lightweight electric motorcycles than traditional e-bikes. Range can also drop significantly when riding aggressively off-road. So, is it worth it? If you want high speed, strong acceleration, and a budget-friendly alternative to more expensive electric dirt bikes, the E6 Ultra looks like a solid option. Just keep your expectations realistic when it comes to range, weight, and long-term reliability. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more electric bike reviews.